Okay, for 36, I'm going to solve them algebraically. If you want to solve by graphing to confirm, then you could check your graph on Desmos, right? Clearly, you can check on Desmos. So let's do A, right? So I have y equals 3x minus 2, and this. So I'm going to take 3x minus 2 and substitute it in, since it's already solved, right? So the second equation becomes 4x plus 2y, but y I'm substituting in 3x minus 2 equals 6. I distribute 4x plus 6x minus 4 equals 6. 10x, combine like terms, minus 4 equals 6. Add 4 to both sides, 10x equals 10, and divide by 10 on both sides, x equals 1. Then y equals 3x minus 2, and we substitute in the 1, 3 times 1 minus 2. So y equals 3 minus 2, which is 1. So the ordered pair 1, 1 for A. Okay, for B, let's make space. So B, we have, again, it's already solved for x, right? So I'm going to take that x and substitute it in there, right? So the second equation becomes 2x, but x I'm substituting in y minus 4, minus y equals negative 5. So 2y minus 8, distribute, right? Minus y equals negative 5. 2y minus y is y minus 8 equals negative 5. And add 8 to both sides, and we get y equals 3. Now I'll substitute into the other equation because it's already solved for x. So x equals y, which is 3 minus 4. X equals negative 1. So negative 1, 3 is where the two lines intersect. And again, double check your work, graph them, and check your graphs on Desmos.